In this video, we shall be looking at inverse of matrix. If you are given a question like this, A is equal to A, B, C, D, and you're asked to find the inverse of A. To solve this, we have to obey some rule, and the rule says A is equal to 1 divided by A determinant. If you are just seeing our video for the first time, check our previous video on determinants of matrix and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. D, B, C, D, C, A, minus, minus. So what the rule say? You have to exchange the element in this diagonal and add negative sign in this diagonal. So, and that's why we have this formula as formula for inverse of matrix. Consider this question. If A is equal to 2 minus 1 and 1, 1, and you're asked to find A inverse. So in this case, we are going to use this formula, and the first step is to find the determinant of A. So, and to find determinant of A is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 minus into 1 multiplied by minus 1. And this is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1, and the determinant of A is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So then we have to substitute to this formula. We already have that this is A inverse. The A inverse is equal to 1 divided by, the determinant is 3, into the element of A, this diagonal we have to switch them, which is 1 and 2, and minus into minus 1 and minus 1. So, and this is equal to 1 divided by 3, 1 minus 1. Minus minus will be plus, which is 1, and this is 2. So we can decide to use this to open the bracket. So we'll be having that A inverse is equal to 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, minus 1 divided by 3, and 2 divided by 3. So this is A inverse. Consider this question. If n is equal to 3, 1, and 2, 2. We are asked to find the inverse of n. Remember the formula. We have that A, if A is AB and CD, then that inverse of A will be equal to 1 over determinant of A into DA B C. So with this we can solve for determinant of this matrix, and you can say that n determinant is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1, and this is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 minus 2 multiplied by 1 is 4. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So, and this implies that n determinant is equal to 4. So substituting it in this, we have that n inverse will be equal to 1 divided by 4 into, we have 2 and 3 minus 1 and minus 2. So, but we can use this to open the bracket, and we have 2 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2 divided by 4 and 3 divided by 4. So we can simplify further. 2 divided by 4 is same thing as half, and there is minus 1 divided by 4. This one is minus half, and 3 divided by 4, and this is our final answer, which is the n inverse. Thank you for watching this video. Always remember to subscribe to this channel for more updates. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to us. We will respond within 48 hours.